Trading charts. Having the right information, having the right charts that are right in front of you is key when day trading. Today we're going to talk about the charting software that I'm using every single day for trading, for options, for cryptocurrency, for all that fun stuff. We're going to break it down right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned.
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Patrick here. Like I said at the beginning of this video, charting, man, you need the right information, the right data. You want to see all the right indicators. You want all that info, and you want it right there in front of you. And well, today we're talking about TradingView and how I'm using TradingView and their new desktop app for trading. And you can actually trade right on TradingView as well. You can connect your broker and all that, but let's talk about what I'm doing and how I'm using it. I talked about recently with my indicators on how I'm using TradingView, but let's just talk about what is going on with the new TradingView desktop app. So you can see here on the TradingView website, I'll put a link down below if you guys want to check out tradingview.com. There's actually a discount if you sign up for TradingView through the link. So definitely check out the link down there. It's down there, down below. But recently, TradingView launched the desktop app, which allows you to have extra power, extra speed, and extra flexibility with the same interface that we're used to using with the browser. I've been using TradingView, I feel like, for the last 2 or 3 years for kind of going through, cryptocurrency with different stocks, different futures. Pretty much everything that has candlesticks can basically be pulled up on TradingView. And one aspect that I really like about TradingView as well is that people can actually post different charts, give you ideas, kind of see what people are thinking, where support might be, what the overall momentum might be in the market, especially for cryptocurrency and things like that. So if you guys haven't already checked it out, like I said, there's a link down below. But let's talk about kind of the desktop app, what's going on there. You can download it for Windows, Mac, and also I think for mobile as well. You've got native multi-monitor support. I've got this set up with multi-monitors. And what's cool is you can really kind of just customize it. It's super customizable. You can put all this information on there and really dial in, having all that info, the right data right there in front of you. What's cool about the desktop app is it basically, is going to be a lot faster, cleaner. It's going to get rid of a lot of the other stuff when you're using it through Google Chrome and things like that. So you can see the difference. Once you sign up and let's say you draw, your lines on the charts, let's say you get your charts out there, you can set this up. So literally every single chart that you have pulled up, if you have the SPY pulled up over here on this monitor, you have it over there on the left, you have it on your mobile, you have it on the browser. If I draw this line right here on a 15-minute chart, I can go, okay, cool, that's there, I got that. And now if I go over, switch to the 3-minute chart, well, there it is. So on the 15-minute chart, boom, I put that line there. You guys just saw me draw it, right? I draw that trend line. And then I switch over to the 3-minute chart just by switching up top there, just by literally boom, 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 clicking it. And it'll pull up there on the 3-minute chart, which is kind of nice because I'm quickly and easily just kind of switching, and I can have this set up so literally all of my indicators are on every single chart that I have pulled up. I can save my indicators and have it all dialed in. And like I said, it's nice because if I go, let's say I'm trading on mobile, or if I'm trading on my laptop, if I'm traveling, things like that, I don't need to kind of go in and set it all up again. Once I log in, all my info is there. Hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn more about TradingView.com, I'll put a link down below. Sign up through the link, and it also helps me out and all that fun stuff. So check them out, TradingView.com. I think it's probably, I would say, top #1. Let's just say #1 TradingView software. There's so many different indicators. You can really kind of go through here and see all these different indicators, and you can actually build different scripts as well. You could back test, you could kind of go through and see how your strategy works if you test it 1,000 different times. So you can it'll allow you to kind of build different studies, and you have you have so many different indicators there on the charts. And you can also kind of pull up different strategies as well, like if you have the RSI strategy, volume profile, and all these different things with candlestick patterns, which is cool because literally you can click this all candlestick patterns, and it's going to add basically every time that we get, we have a doji right there, indicator just popped up, boom. I might actually leave that on there. So for now on, and let's say I'm missing something. Let's say I'm trading and I'm just I'm not paying attention. Maybe I'm emotional or whatever. I can kind of get that alert and be like, oh, wow. Here, engulfing, candle, doji. And then it kind of just gives me all these different indicators right there on the chart, different candle patterns. When the engulfing candle is on the bottom here, it's obviously, bullish. So bullish engulfing candle. You can see that big pop up here on the hourly. Look at this thing on the hourly today on the Qs just going nuts. But here we see bullish engulfing candle, and boom, rocket ship. Again, we have the doji here, kind of an indicator showing that the trend is changing, that we're either going to pop or drop. Buyers and sellers are kind of battling it out at that level. I think today was a really good example of that on the 3-minute chart. You can see right here, I think it was, we had a couple dojis actually today, but I think this really kind of gave us a good indicator. Where was it? I think this doji, one of these dojis right in here, basically boom, doji candle, and that's let me know that, like, hey, look, this is like the battle right now. The bears, the bulls are battling here. And then boom, like another, bearish engulfing candle. Same thing here. I get another bearish engulfing candle. So let's say, I'm long through this move here, and all of a sudden that pops off and it says, hey, but look, we got a bearish engulfing candle. And, it's, like obviously we want to train ourselves to see these candlesticks, see the patterns and things like that. Like we want that, to be in our brain basically. But sometimes it's nice to just like have that, kind of pop off there just to kind of reinforce like, hey, look, you're right, or, what are you paying attention to? What are you looking at here? So kind of, there's so many different indicators. You can set this up. I mean, they have like literally millions and millions of like different, like things that you can set up. It's really cool there on TradingView. And this is all indicators that you basically get when you sign up for the pro platform. And what's also cool is you could pull up like all these different indicators that people create as well. Like let's see, like here, let's see like the top trending. So this one here, like MACD, custom indicator, multi-frame, wave trend, oscillators, boom, like it kind of just pops right off there. So kind of really cool. There's a bunch of different indicators that are out there. I've already talked about kind of what I'm using. I probably like haven't even spent enough time to really kind of go through here. I need to spend more time kind of going through these different indicators and kind of seeing what's going on. But again, stressing the fact that, obviously you want to have all of the indicators, the data that you're using. And it's cool because you can kind of just add this on there. You can customize this very, very easily. You can customize colors, and everything is very customizable there on the TradingView charts. And again, it's really nice because it can be web-based. It can also now be the desktop app as well. And then, switching between different time frames. I think, TradingView does offer a really solid product here. At the end of the day, there's 100 different charting softwares out there. Different brokers offer different charting softwares as well. For me, it's nice to kind of have one charting software that I use here with TradingView because, I'm using different brokers. I'm trading futures. I'm using interactive brokers for options. And then I'm trading cryptocurrency as well. And it's nice to have everything kind of dialed in. And like, I don't know, it's nice to like have it so every chart that I look at, no matter the ticker, no matter what the, crypto, futures, whatever it is that I'm looking at, it allows me to like focus like, oh, look, like this is what I want to be looking at. This is what I want to be focused on. And it just kind of is familiar that I'm going between crypto, Bitcoin, futures, options, things like that, and having all those charts looking exactly the same indicators, the same setup, the same background, everything dialed in to a point that I'm like, okay, look, I have all this information. It's very simple. And I can kind of just, every time I look at it, like, oh, look, where's the VWAP? Where's the EMA? What am I seeing here on the chart? No matter what the ticker symbol is, no matter if it's crypto or futures or vice versa. So if you guys haven't already checked out tradingview.com, like I said, there's a link down below. You can sign up for a discount and check them out. Tradingview.com. This is the charting software that I'm using every single day. Talk to you guys later on.